Welcome to our channel where we simplify your entertainment journey by guiding you through cutting the cord and switching to streaming effortlessly. Welcome to our channel where we simplify your entertainment journey by guiding you through cutting the cord and switching to streaming effortlessly. Cutting the cord means saying goodbye to traditional cable or satellite TV subscriptions and embracing streaming services that offer flexibility, cost savings, and an endless array of shows and movies. This step-by-step approach will help you make the switch smoothly and confidently. First, evaluate your current TV habits. Take note of the channels and shows you watch most frequently. This will help you identify which streaming platforms provide what you want to watch. Next, assess your internet connection. Since streaming relies on internet speed and stability, ensure that your home internet plan can handle HD or 4K streaming without buffering issues. Upgrading to a higher speed plan may be necessary. Third, select your streaming devices. Whether it's a smart TV, streaming stick, or game console, pick devices compatible with your favorite streaming services for convenient viewing options. Fourth, choose your streaming platforms. Popular options include Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and many others, depending on the content you enjoy. Many services offer free trials, so take advantage of these to test what fits your needs best. Fifth, compile your subscriptions. Start with a few essential services that cover your must-watch content, then expand or modify as your preferences change. Remember to monitor monthly expenses to ensure streaming saves you money compared to traditional cable. Sixth, set up your equipment and download necessary apps. Sign in or create accounts for each service. Organize your favorite shows and movies into watch lists or favorites within apps for easy access. Seventh, learn to use your new remote and streaming interface. Familiarize yourself with voice commands, search functions, and profiles to customize your viewing experience. Finally, enjoy the freedom of on-demand entertainment without commercials or rigid schedules. You can watch anywhere and anytime on multiple devices. If you decide traditional channels are still necessary, consider a digital antenna for local live TV. By following these steps, you'll successfully cut the cord and embrace modern streaming culture. Your new entertainment world is just a few clicks away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides.